Understanding junk files.
Junk files are temporary or unnecessary files that accumulate on your computer over time. These can include cache files, system logs, leftover installer files, and other data that are no longer needed. Regularly cleaning junk files helps maintain your device's speed and frees up storage space. But the method you choose, manual or automated, can make a big difference.
Manual junk file cleaning, the basics.
Cleaning junk files manually means locating and deleting them yourself. This approach gives you full control over what gets removed, so you can avoid deleting important files by mistake. However, it can be time-consuming and requires some technical know-how to find all unnecessary files and folders, especially those hidden deep within your system.
Automated junk file cleaning. How it works.
Automated cleaners use specialized software or apps to identify and remove junk files quickly. With just a few clicks, these tools can scan your system and delete unwanted files on your behalf. This method is fast and convenient, and often includes scheduled cleanups. However, it may occasionally remove files you want to keep, unless you review the results before confirming.
Manual versus automated, pros and cons.
Manual cleaning offers precision and a deeper understanding of what's on your device. In contrast, automated cleaning saves time and effort, making it ideal for less tech-savvy users. Manual methods risk overlooking hidden files, while automated tools might go too far and erase useful data. Both methods have benefits, depending on your comfort level and needs.
Choosing what's right for you.
If you value control and thoroughness, manual cleaning is a solid choice, but requires patience and some expertise. If you prefer convenience and efficiency, automated cleaners are useful and usually safe when used carefully. For most users, a combination works best. Rely on automated tools for routine cleanup, and do occasional manual checks to ensure nothing important is lost.